Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so instead of putting a bunch of box variations on here, I figured I'd go ahead and show you every single spoiler that will be in the September BoxyCharm boxes. But before we do that, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now guys, let's read the first comment on my last video, which was one variation of the September BoxyCharm box. Congratulations, Amy Anderson. Amy says, hey, I love your videos. Thank you for your hard work. Well, Amy, thank you so much. That is so heartwarming. I really love that you got your notification bell on and that you took the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. Alright guys, so stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from that video. And if you yourself want to shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now let's jump into these spoilers, y'all. So first of all, you know this is for the standard BoxyCharm box. We don't have no BoxyLuxe in September. So first, there's going to be 3 different variation palettes. You will get 1 out of these 3 palettes. The first one is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. The next palette is the Too Faced Natural Face palette. And then last but certainly not least is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping palette. Now you will get 1 out of those 3 palettes. Now the next thing is another variation. You'll either get the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Liquid Liner or the MAC Cosmetics Lipstick in the shade CB96. Next is going to be in every single box. This is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Then next is another variation. You'll either get the $1 Billion Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pencil, or you'll get one of these Laura Geller Baked Gelato highlighters. One's in Gilded Honey, one's in Ballerina, one is in Peach Glow, or you might get Charmin' Pink. And then the last spoiler, and this is going to be in every box, is the Moda Brush 5-piece deluxe eye kit. And here is just a little clip of a video about these Moda brushes.
You're receiving is a Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. I love it because no matter if you get an eye palette or a face palette in your box this month, you can use these brushes, which is great. For example, this one right here, I would use to apply my highlight from the face palette from Too Faced if you receive that palette. So I really love Moda. I love their brushes, such good quality. Charmers, moving on to our last and final.
Now guys, that is all I got for you today, but as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, you know I'm going to keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Darla Dawkins. Darla says, hi hun, am I first finally? Love you and love your channel. Well, Darla, I really love you too, and I really love that you love my channel. I love knowing that people is enjoying my content, and I really love that you took the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, if you want to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then what I want you to do is rate the video. But I'm just going to give you one choice. You got to hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. Along with my end screens. I don't know what happened to them. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And one more thing before you guys head out. I know it's the YouTube. It ain't me. Don't kill the messenger. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments saying, Mandy, I did not see any spoilers yesterday. In fact, if you had your bell on, you would have seen them. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.